Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem. So the very first thing we are going to do is here I can write this expression as x to the power of 3 and whole square minus we can write 64 as 8 square is equal to 0. Now you can remember the some important identities which is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times of a plus b, and similarly the one of cubic formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square, as well as if we have the cubic formula in the form of plus. So if we have a cube plus b cube, then it will becomes a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. Here we need these three formulas to solve this question. So now first I will apply this formula here, and we will obtain x cube minus 8 and x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. So there arises the following two cases. I will divide the further question in two cases. The first one is x cube minus 8 is equal to 0, and the other case is x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. Now you can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 0, and here is the a cube minus b cube. Now we can apply this formula and you will get x minus 2 times of x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we can further simplify this term and you will get x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here you can find, you can get the value of x, which is 2. And now in order to solve this expression, you can apply the quadratic formula here, and you know that if we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 4, then you will get the quadratic formula. First you apply, so minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. Now I will substitute all the values of a, b and c here. When you can substitute all the values of a, b and c, then you will get minus 2 plus minus, here you put b is equal to 2, then you will get 2 square is 4 minus 4 times of a, the value of a is 1 and the value of c is 4 square root over 2a and the value of a is 2. So now you can just simplify here and you will get minus 2 plus minus minus 12 square root over 2. Okay, so after that you just separate this square root on negative term and 12, so it will becomes you can write 12 as 4 times of 3 square root and square root of minus 1 over 2, and here you can simplify the term and you will get minus 2 plus minus the square root of 4 is 2 times of square root 3 and minus 1 square root will becomes iota over 2. So now when you can separate both of the terms, then you will obtain two roots here, minus 1 plus minus square root 3 iota. Okay, so this is the our first case, and you will find these three solutions. Two solutions are here and its one solution are x is equal to 2. Now we will solve the other case, which is x cube plus 8 is equal to 0, and here you will write x cube plus 8 as 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 0, and you can just apply similar steps. Those are apply here. So here you can apply this cubic formula, a cube plus b cube. So here you can apply, here you will obtain x plus 2 times of x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, and here you will obtain the 1 root x is equal to minus 2, and now you can write x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, and here you have the value of a is 1, b is minus 2, and c is 4, and you will apply the quadratic formula here to find the other values of x. So you know that this is the quadratic formula. I can write here, and you will just substitute the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula, and you will obtain x is equal to minus b. Here is minus b, and the value of minus b is minus 2, so it will becomes plus 2 plus minus b square, and minus 2 square is 4, and minus 4ac. The value of a is 1, the value of c is 16, so it will becomes minus 16 square root over 2. Now you will simplify this expression, and you will obtain 2 plus minus minus 12 square root over 2, and here is the same simplification which is lies in the first part. So you can obtain here 2 plus minus 2 times of square root 3 iota over 2, and when you will separate both of the terms, then you will obtain 1 plus minus square root 3 iota. Okay, so our given question statement is of sixth order. So now this is the sixth order polynomial equation, or simple equation, nice equation. So you just get here 6 solutions, and our required 6 solutions are x is equal to plus minus 2, and these are 2 solutions, and these 2 solutions are here 1 plus minus square root 3 iota, and its remaining 2 solutions I can write here minus 1 plus minus square root 3 iota. So these are our 6 required solutions. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.